Journal proper. The journal proper, or simply put as the journal, is a book of prime entry that records transactions that are not captured by any of the other books of prime entry. Some would refer to the journal as a diary of transactions. The journal plays significant roles in the recorded phase of accounting as it is used for varied purposes. The roles the journal plays include: 1. It helps to eliminate fraud and other accounting irregularities by providing explanations to the transactions that are recorded in it. Also, the journal gives transaction posting guides as to which account to be debited and which to be credited. The journal is used mainly for 5 major aspects of accounting. 1. Correction of accounting errors. 2. Opening of new entries. 3. Recording of sale and purchase on credit of non-current assets. Don't forget, each time we mention non-current asset, we are talking about fixed asset. 4. Transfer between accounts. And lastly, the recording of non-cash drawings. A typical journal will appear like this. We take this as a format of a journal. Assuming in the book of myfacttutor.com, we have this journal voucher, JV. Here we have the date that the journal is raised. We have the JV number, which is the journal number. We have the account codes. We have the account heads. We have the debit column. We have the credit column. Here we have the totals that will show, these columns will show the total of debit and the total of credit, which of course must agree. Here we have the narration, the reason for the posting is stated here. The journal, of course, is raised by somebody. So whoever is raising it in an organization will either write his name and sign, or just sign off here. It will be indicated that it has been checked here by somebody, either in the internal audit department or a more superior officer in the same account department. And the head of the account department will now have to approve here before the journal will be finally posted to the accounting records. The information content of a journal. What kind of information do we expect to see each time we come across a journal? 1 is the date of the transaction, or the date the journal is raised or prepared. 2. The reference number of the supporting documents. 3. The name and account number of the account to be debited. 4. The name and account number of the account to be credited. 5. Amount debited and credited. And lastly, narration, that is the explanation for the transaction journalized. The journal proper is not part of the double entry system, and we must take note of this. What does it do? It only serves as a starting point because entries made in it are used to record transactions in double entry form.